James was feeling miserable. He could well remember that dreadful accident on his first day. Mix, 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 mix. You can pull coaches off Henry.
I'm a really splendid engine,
He thought, and suddenly let off steam, man. A shower of cum fell onto Topham's nice new top hat. James didn't like that at all. Gordon never has to fetch his own coaches. And he's only painted blue. I'm a really splendid engine. Thomas the Tank Engine Sauce is two coaches. Annie and Clarabelle agree with him, which made Thomas very cross. How can I run my line properly if Henry is always whistling on my cup? How can I run my line properly if James is always
a really splendid engine.
Thomas whistled impatiently. Where have you been, lazy Zeal? Oh
Rubbish.
dear, my system is
Rubbish.
out of order.
Rubbish.
No one understands my case.
Rubbish!
You're too slow. You don't know what I suffer, moaned Henry. You need exercise. But Thomas didn't stop till they came to a stop. Peep, 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 peep. I want to fifth. Engines don't go fifth. I want to be splendid. But he felt better after a drink. So he had a drink. Drink, 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 drink. I'm going to burst. I'm going to burst.
That was good.
I'm plowing. I'm pulling a train. I'm Bertie. I'm stuck. I'm a really splendid...
Bother!
Give up! Give up! You can't pull us! You can't! You can't! I can and I will. I'm out of order.